Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Buick Lacrosse without keys. First, always check every door and the trunk. Sometimes one is simply ajar. If you have a spare key, even a magnetic one hidden under the car, now is the time to use it. Many older models also have a physical keyhole hidden on the driver's side door handle. Gently pry off the small cover to reveal it. This can save you a lot of hassle and potential expense. If a spare key isn't an option, specialized tools can help. A slim jim or a wedge tool can be inserted between the door frame and the window. Be extremely careful to avoid damaging the weather stripping or electrical components inside the door. The goal is to hook the door lock mechanism or carefully pull the interior handle. A long reach tool can also be used to press the unlock button directly, which is often safer. Sometimes, the best approach is to call for professional help. If you have roadside assistance through your insurance or a service like AAA, they can often send someone quickly. A certified locksmith has the right tools and expertise to unlock your Buick Lacrosse without causing any damage. While it might seem tempting, breaking a window should be a last resort, as replacement costs can be several $100s. To prevent future lockouts, always carry a spare key or keep one in a secure, accessible place, perhaps with a trusted friend or neighbor. Investing in a keyless entry system or a magnetic hide-a-key box can also provide peace of mind. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in avoiding these stressful situations. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.